Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can deny Facebook Messenger from accessing your photos application. So basically this is for security reasons, so let me show you guys how you can do it. So for that you need to go to the settings, and after you come to the settings you need to swipe down and find this option called privacy and security. From here, as you can see, there are a lot of options. You need to select photos, and after selecting photos you just need to swipe down and find messengers. As you can see, these messengers, and as you can see it says photo library access. So right now I am giving messengers full access, so I don't want to allow messenger from reviewing my photo application. So what I need to do, just tap none. Now messenger won't be able to access my photo application. So yeah, that's how you